Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today, I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit 15. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5 and today's subject is English. Your topic Unit 15, term half yearly, lecture number 15 and HW number 9. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 15 and HW number 9, and today's HW will be exercise B. Teacher, this is Mahmudur Rahman and this is my mobile number 01735852285. Okay, let's start our class. Unit 15, the unit title is Happy Birthday. The students say, you know that all of us have birthdays and most of us celebrate our birthday in a pleasant manner. We become very happy on our birthday. So this is a story about celebrating a birthday. Now we will learn about the lesson. A person's birthday is a special day. This is the date when the person was born. People around the world celebrate birthdays in different ways. In many countries, people celebrate with a cake. There are candles on the cake. There is one candle for each year of the person's life. People sing a song for the person. At the end of the song, the person blows out the candles. In some countries, there is often a party for a child's birthday. The child's friends come to the home. There is a special food like sweets. The children play games and sing. The friends often bring a birthday gift for the child. The gifts are wrapped in colorful paper. The gift may be a toy, a book, or some clothes. In some countries, the friends don't bring gifts. So, this is the lesson. I think one line is missing here. The most important thing that the last line of this passage, the most important thing is to enjoy the day and spend time with the family. So this is the last line of this passage. So I think most of you celebrate your birthdays and this is a special day for you. Now we will solve some true false questions from this lesson, this unit. This is B. Read the sentences and write T for true or F for false. Number 1, a birthday is the date when a person was born. We have learned from the first paragraph of this unit that a birthday is the date when a person was born. So this is true. We will write down T for true. Okay, the next. The people celebrate birthdays in the same way around the world. No, people around the world celebrate birthdays in different ways. So this is false. Number 3, on a birthday cake, there is one candle for each year of a child's age. So this is true. So we will write down T. The friends and family blow out the candles on the birthday cake. Now this is not true because the person whose birthday is celebrating will blow out the candle. So this is false. We will write down F here. Number 5, children in some countries have a party for their birthday. This is very true. So we will write down T. And the last one, gifts are the most important thing for celebrating a birthday. Dear students, this is not true because the most important thing is enjoying and making fun with friends and family members. So this is false. We will write down F. So these are the solutions of number 1 to 6 true false questions. And dear students, this will be your homework HW exercise B. This is your HW number 9. So my dear students, I hope that you have enjoyed today's class and understood it very well. If you have further questions or any inquiries, please contact me on my phone number and attend the online classes regularly, watch the YouTube class and submit your homework on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay. See you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.